Now that you know how to find the ULAU certificate, let's have a look at the certificate itself. On the first page of the ULAU certificate, you will be able to find the certificate number, date of revision, where it has been production has taken place, and when you scroll a little bit down, you'll also be able to find some more information such as the name of the product itself, some test report, what it has been tested to, which is AS 1530.4 and AS 4072.1, which is complied with NCC, and also the expiry date, which is important to look for in each ULAU product. And now let's scroll down into the document itself. In Appendix A, you'll be able to find supporting construction details for using this Firestop product. And when you scroll a little bit down into the next page, you'll be able to find what all base materials it has been tested to. As you can see, it has been tested to flexible and rigid walls and also for floor applications. A1.2 gives us different seal types. It gives us details of all the different types, seal types which can be used with this plug. And A1.3 gives us distance requirements of each services in respect to each other. And let's scroll down and let me show you guys an example. A2.2, let's move to that. So let's say you guys have a wall penetration and you want to use a CFS PL plug, and it has to be used for a standard D1 set cable. And if you use that with the Hilti intumescent filler, Hilti Firestop putty bandits, then you will be able to get a FRL rating of 120/120.